Knowledge for kids. Hey kids! Have you ever had that funny tickle in your nose that made you go achoo? That is called sneezing, and today we are going to find out why we sneeze. A sneeze is like your nose's way of cleaning itself. It's a super fast burst of air that pushes out anything that should not be there, like dust, germs, or even strong smells. When something tickles the inside of your nose, special sensors send a message to your brain. Your brain then tells your body to get ready to sneeze. Your chest takes a big breath, your eyes close, and then achoo! Out goes the dust. Did you know that almost all animals sneeze too? Dogs sneeze when they are playing, and even giraffes sneeze, though it might look a little different. Sneezing can spread germs, so it's super important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. Use your elbow or a tissue, and don't forget to wash your hands after. Now you know why we sneeze and how to keep everyone around you safe when you do. Thank you for learning with us today. If you enjoyed learning from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing ones. If you have any questions regarding what you learned in the video, please feel free to ask in the comments.